Welcome to my channel, Sunshine Shoulders. I'm Calvin. This is day 22 of the house construction. I'm bringing the guys some beer. See him carrying the beer. It's crazy how time flies. Remember, I was just over here. Seemed like the other day, last Saturday, with beer. Kind of blustery. Yeah, there's the beams. The roof will be going up here pretty soon. There's the beer, San Miguel. Yeah, they're gonna go up a couple of more layers with hollow block and then go with the beams. You can see it's coming together. Hey! Again, that's my bedroom. Yeah, it's in it today. Yeah, they're gonna go up a couple of rows higher here and then the beams. Yeah, that's the dining area there. And where he's standing, the dining area and the kitchen. Living room. I hope that this meeting that Duterte's having today doesn't affect construction of our house, because they shut this thing down because of the Delta variant. It's gonna put us behind, man. I don't know when they'll be able to restart, so I hope it doesn't. Hope they decide they've got another strategy. Yeah, that bathroom's coming together, man. It's pretty big. Let me get over here, because the last time I didn't show y'all the girls' room. It's not so big, but it's not so small either. They're getting it's almost 3 p.m. here, so it's the girls' room. There's 2 people in here. They don't need a whole lot of room, but it's bigger than what I thought. At least they do have a window. But yeah, I hope that they can get this Delta variant under control. If not, I believe they're going to shut this down, and they'll probably won't be able to work here, depending on what they decide. This is the bathroom here. It's a little bit bigger than the bathroom that I've got now. And the girls, it's going to be their doorway right here. This is their doorway. Then this is going to be a small hallway leading out to the kitchen. I'm going to get out here. I see the engineer. Maybe I can ask him a few questions. Front door. There's his nice truck. He's got a nice Toyota. Part of my live stream tomorrow, I'm going to be talking about that. Yeah, every Saturday I made a decision to buy the guys some beer. Believe it or not, 6 litros are only 520 pesos. Now if I would have went to the Sari store and purchased that, it would have been 120 pesos each. So it would have been 720 pesos. So I saved about 200 pesos. These guys are worth it. Then of course I bought them some got some damn rocks in my foot. You know, you gotta buy them the ice to go with it. They drink ice in their beer over here. But yeah, I got them some cold ones. Then I bought them some. Hey!
Hey!
Drink up. What time y'all get off today? 4? Hey, Dante. That's the back door. The back door.
Yes, sir.
The beer is over there.
Okay.
Yeah, these guys do great work, man. I'm really serious, man. I just hope that. Hey, you say, Arthur?
Hi.
These guys are working, man. I hope that, you know, they're having that meeting, that emergency meeting today about the Delta variant. I hope they don't shut it down.
Yes.
You know, with the lockdown, they're talking about maybe it may be a lockdown.
From now, I think it's all in the National Capital Region. No.
Well, there was yeah, there was 2 cases, yeah, over there.
Yes, yes. In
Because once that thing starts spreading, man, it's hard to stop.
that would be difficult.
Yeah, it would be difficult. I hope it won't affect. You don't think it'll affect this, do you?
Yes.
The job?
No, the construction. I don't think so.
Yeah.
Unless it reaches on cars.
Yeah. Now, we'll meet over there Monday at the bank.
Oh, yes.
Okay?
Okay.
Same time. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, this house is coming along. You can see the outline now. So it's basic. See, he told me the truth when he said 52 square foot. He said it's a typical Filipino house. He said it's not small. Because I'm thinking in my Western mind, I'm thinking, man, that's small. But it's not, as you can see, guys. You know, it's a lot of it's good living space. Basically, me and my girlfriend, her 15-year-old daughter, they're little too. Her 7-year-old daughter and our 11-month-old daughter, which she'll be 1 next month. That's plenty of room. Thank y'all so much. I wanted to not very technical what I'm doing, but I hope y'all understand what I'm trying to do is just keep you updated. About every other day. This is day 22 of the new home construction. It's coming along. I just hope that the Delta variant doesn't slow down our... There's the engineer. I'll show you from the back. He knows what he's doing. Dante, that's the lead guy. If you're in America, you sleep. I'll speak to your subconscious mind. You get up, go to work, go get the newspaper, get your cup of coffee, see somebody on the street, buy them something to eat, buy them something to drink, give them a few dollars. In the Philippines, it's about 3 p.m. I just bought the guys some beer. There was some confusion last week. They thought that I had brought the beer early in the morning. No, it was at the end of the day. The engineer would kill me if I did that. These guys are painting the primer on the beams. We still have the rest of the day. Go out and intentionally find somebody to help. Because if I don't know anything else, I know this one thing for sure. We help other people, we help ourselves. You see, I got plenty of room in between here and here for my guest room in the back. It's going to be nice, guys. Y'all going to be real happy with that. You guys be drunk here pretty soon. But I won't bring them Red Horse. If I was to bring them Red Horse, they wouldn't get nothing done. Take care, guys. Stay COVID free. And for those who pray for us that Delta variant doesn't spread. This country has suffered enough from COVID. It's time to get back to normal, guys. See you later.